Welcome to Wait Ask channel, where we bring you the best in homemade recipes. Today we're diving into the world of pickling with our irresistible pickled onions recipe. Stay tuned and let's get pickling. You can adjust the flavors to suit your taste preferences, creating pickled perfection every time. These tangy, crispy pickled onions will elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Whether you're adding them to a burger, topping off a salad, or enjoying them as a snack, their versatility knows no bounds. And the best part? You made them yourself. Ingredients: 2 medium red onions thinly sliced, 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons cane sugar, 1 tablespoon kosher salt. Slice the onion into thin slices using a mandoline or sharp knife. Place in a 16-oz mason jar. Add smashed garlic, jalapeno, or peppercorns into the jar if desired. Wait! Before starting this video, I introduce you with alkaline, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Heat the vinegar, water, sugar, and salt in a small pot just until the sugar and salt have melted and the mixture begins to simmer. Pour the mixture onto the onions and allow to cool for 25-30 minutes. Serve immediately or refrigerate the onions in a sealed container for up to 2 weeks. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Wait Ask channel. Thanks for watching!